Alright, what's going on, guys? Bringing you another video today at the boy Benji's house. We're going to be installing windshield cowl, and we're doing black mirror caps. And the man himself, what's good, bro? In action. Tell the people what you're doing.
Alright, so my power windows was messed up, so I just had to replace it, right? So what I did here, pretty much, see that? Boom. Gotta pry it up. Be careful when you see these clips right here, you gotta get them out. I mean, this is for MK6, but I don't know how it works on the MK7, so this is just what I had to do. And then you gotta be careful when you take it out, because there's also sensors connected here and here. I mean, of course, for the power windows, but literally just put the new power windows in there, boom. Slide it in. Clicks, 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 clicks. Boom, ready to go, brand new. And just snap it back in there.
Damn, that's a quick replacement, damn.
See, we fixed it right away, boom.
Working again.
Boom. That easy. Just, what takes forever is just the clips. You gotta make sure you're easy on that, because like, come on closer. See my stupid ass, see what I did? See, so that's what I get for trying to push it out.
Nah.
Right, so you gotta be very careful.
It's all good though.
Very careful, but it's really easy. You just gotta, be patient with it.
We're gonna take off these 13s for the wipers. Take off the wipers first. We can slide this off. Slides into. Yeah. It just sits like in that little line.
Right. So also for the MK6 owners, if anybody asks what a fucking ECU is, here you go. Clip. Boom. That's your ECU right there. See?
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Bruh.
So if they ever ask you what a fucking ECU is, it's right behind that shit, right?
Oh snap. Bam. Oh snap. Retails for $299.99. ECS. I did too, see? So we're trying to get this.
Ooh. Wait, is it over the mirror or what? Ooh.
Make sure we get that all the way down. You replace his because his was cracked somewhere around there, so you just got a new one. And now we can put the seal and the windshield wipers, and this is a done deal. Sound like none of that shit even happened in there, bro. Let me get around. These are one time. So you pop that out with the trim tool. Just connect the sensors. Just go ahead and remove all the T10s. Take out the adjuster in the middle right there too. Then the adjuster comes off. Just disconnect that connector. Alright guys, so this black piece was just on there with these like 2 tabs up here. So you just pop that off, and then your cap just pops right out. Oh. Boom. Dang, that's one side done. There you go, guys. Little Benji, you scared of the car?
Yeah, it scares the crap out of me every single time he races. This is my car. It's like, it's the Nissan GTR from Fast and the Furious. If you haven't, Too Fast, Too Furious, if you haven't watched it, it's like pretty. It's Brian O'Connor's car. Yeah. He used it and it was super fast. Yeah. Look at it.
How much was it? Got the cowl installed, everything's flush. Don't ask why there's only one wiper. What? Don't ask why there's only one wiper on there.
Alright guys, so when you are installing something, don't go to the gym before, because then you're just gonna completely fuck shit up.
Somebody went to the gym.
The gains is gonna get in the way of you torquing that too little, okay?
Yeah.
But anyways, that's what happens when you don't know what the fuck you're doing. So we accidentally broke that, so I'll just buy a new transmission for the wiper or whatever, and we get you the install on here. So
coming soon.
So you guys are gonna see that, a new install going on. But everything else turned out sweet. If you see here, the mirrors look lit. We're human, we make mistakes, right?
Exactly.
So we'll just try to get that fixed up whenever we can, all right?
Part of the process,
have a good one. Subscribe to my man's channel. Hit a like button.
Hit the like.
You already know.
All right, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.